G'day guys, Ninja and Das on the table.
G'day guys.
We're going to work on Das's Achilles and around his ankle and that. I'm going to get him to tell me exactly where to treat. And we'll get him fixed. He's had this problem for a while and we've got to treat each other a bit more comprehensively, I think is the word. We kind of half treat each other, don't we? We probably do a 50% job. So we need to kind of get to the bottom of this and eradicate it because it can be done. So tell me what's going on, man. When we're moving around and that, what sort of feels sore?
Yeah, so it's pretty sore on the actual Achilles, like that tendon, and then just above it, like in that soleus here, this section. The calf doesn't usually trouble me, but anything low, soleus, Achilles, into the heel, like that's tender.
All right, let's start here.
Good.
Start here and I'll go down a little bit.
That's
just that continuum of the fascia where it joins on. So the Achilles, is it our biggest tendon in the body?
One of,
I think so. So it needs to be secured on there really, really well. So the fascia kind of wraps onto the bottom of this heel here. So it's got to be secured on so well so it doesn't just pluck off. So
it's never given a rest, Ninja, when we're standing, is it? Like our shoulders and our the different body parts and tendons can rest, but our Achilles is constantly keeping us upright, fighting gravity when we're standing. So it's always working. All right, that's good.
Yeah, I can feel there's a spot there.
Oh, that's incredible.
Yeah.
Just therapeutic, man.
Yeah. Just thinking it's early in this video, but we might be able to do a series of Achilles treatments on Das and see how we progress across the weeks.
Yeah, it sounds
so
good.
We can do some good 10, 15-minute treatments and be really specific, but then there might be different spots we can work a bit more comprehensively and just do it like a real life study. And get him right. Before the footy season starts, eh? Won't be much rest for it then.
No. Wow, that is really good money.
Yeah. So you can kind of see how we just hold spots, but it's this is where the real pain quite often is. It's on these attachment kind of locations, and that's where all the scarring has kind of happened, and we can kind of soften and break it down, file it down in a way, and less. It's like gravel. That's the way I've kind of always thought about it. It's kind of can be scratching and irritating the sheets around it, the tissues. So it starts getting inflammation and bleeding kind of on this real micro level, but it's sort of we really notice that in our body. So hit onto there. It's a spot.
Yeah. It's sensitive, but it's just therapeutic.
Feels right.
Feels really connected. Yeah, footy season will be starting in April, but we start our practice matches in March. So starting to get more into our training and intensifying that. So I'm doing at least a minimum of three a week, 2 at training, 1 on my own. Then I do my lift club here. So there's 4 sessions that I'm putting my body through a week, and more often than not, my Achilles and my ankle is working during that time. And
so it's 3 running sessions. And 1 gym. Is that what you're doing? Yeah, it's a heavy load on the body.
It's a lot.
Taxing, isn't it?
Oh, it's nice.
So I'm just kind of going on the medial side a little bit more now. And just hooking in there. It doesn't feel like there's quite as much blocking my stroke in here, so it's sort of not going to spend as long there. But next up, I'll hit right on that Achilles, the true spot there.
Oh yeah.
So that's going to be if I could hold that for a bit.
Oh yeah, man.
Gonna set up the rest of that tendon to start to meld as well. So I can kind of change the couple angles. See, I just diverted my thumb in that direction.
Wow,
just that
wow,
little bit.
wow.
Just to really hit it.
Oh, I love that.
Hold it for a little bit more.
Oh.
Then right in the centre.
Yeah.
Like that. Hold that. See how you just wait? Yeah. You can't rush melting. You gotta wait. Pin it. Here's the way. Sometimes it's 3 minutes. A lot of times it's 3 minutes, you know. So you got to make sure you're on important points. If you're gonna spend 3 minutes on a spot, don't be fucking a spot that fucking doesn't make any difference to the treatment, to the body.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's just makes sense. So now I'm just gonna start to scoop a little bit. So I'm right in that true center of it, and all I'm gonna do is change my position of my body like that.
Oh yes.
So I can direct some force into that Achilles. Like that. Feel good?
Wow, it feels so nice, man. I'm enjoying this.
Yeah.
It's at a level where I can. It's about a 6.5, 7 out of 10.
Yeah.
There's been moments where it's 8, but for me that's perfect. It's at the perfect depth where I know it's being effective. Oh, it gets a bit more there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Effectiveness is the best measure of truth.
Correct. Oh, I think I'm getting into.
Oh,
So I'm still connected to the bone. So I've still got a partial connection with my thumb on the bone, and I want to get purely onto that Achilles now.
Wow.
So I'm going to just give it my other hand in there.
Wow.
Just so that Achilles just gets fully worked. You right, bro?
Oh, good, man. Yeah. It's just intensified back up to an 8. It's good. Oh, it's so nice.
So yeah, now I'm just about to leave that bone there. So that's how long it's taken me just to go that centimetre or so. And now I'm just going to put pressure onto that Achilles where it really feels it. But it feels like this is released off a bit because we did such good work, thorough work on that. On the bone in there. I'm just going to follow that line there. I feel like that's the one. Robbie Williams.
Yeah, that's the one.
Look at that. The old ninja, he knows his bloody modern pop music, even though that song's probably 20 years old. It's modern for me.
Oh.
How long's Robbie Williams been around? Would that song be 20 years old, Das?
Yeah. About that. Oh, he's just become a little bit more of a well-known guy around Australia. That's for sure. He's getting into these AFL and he's become a bit of a cult figure here in Australia again.
Yeah.
Everyone loves him though.
Yeah, Robbie.
Oh, if you've got Achilles pain, ankle limitations. So for those that don't know, this was an ankle injury a year and a half ago. Oh no, about a year ago now. So.
Or was it 2 years, man? Because I reckon I've seen videos.
2 years.
Is it 2 years?
Might have been 2 years.
Yeah, because I remember you first did it maybe close to 2 years ago. After we did our big advanced fitness course, I think you did your ankle in the pre-season.
I'm going to have to check. Yeah. Go back and have a look.
Back to the archives.
So
yeah, I think you would have done this in early 22.
Yes.
Like Feb 22 or something like that.
Yeah, it's been...
So it's nearly a 2-year anniversary.
Yeah.
It's not a good thing, but...
Nah, it's not.
It's
been good though.
Pain's an invitation to evolve. Let's get rid of it. Make it a lesson.
Yeah.
The evolution of Das.
Oh... Oh, that's good, man.
How's this stroke?
The best stroke I've had all day.
We love a good stroke, don't
Yes.
we?
Ah,
We do.
can't beat a good stroke.
Cool. Of course you can't.
Oh man, that is just warm.
Warm and fuzzy.
Yeah,
Am I on the right line?
definitely.
Yeah. I reckon they're going to get some.
Oh yeah, man.
We got time?
Yeah.
We got a minute?
Got a minute.
You've got a minute. We've got a minute.
Oh wow. Oh man, this is real. Oh, he's fixing me.
Changing lives. That's what we're doing. So we're on the verge of wrapping it up. But if you want to learn this kind of stuff, we run courses twice a year. Deep philosophy and method, principles behind it. You wouldn't think so, but there really is. We've really devoted our lives to being good body workers, trying to be the best in the world, the best for the person that's currently with us in this present moment. That makes you the best body worker.
Yeah.
And getting the results with chronic pain, with sports injuries, so meaningful. It's the best thing in the world. And the journey you go on with your person as well, the connection you create can be lifelong. So yeah, we really recommend it. If you want to be mentored by Aaron and myself, have a look in the links. If you're local to Melbourne, you want some of this kind of work, yeah, book in at our clinics. But there is a worldwide directory now. So there's people around the world that are learning this, that are just seeing us, have a thirst for helping people, and yeah, they have a look in the directory as well. So there might be somebody near you that can help you out. So, but they might treat this little ankle region, Achilles region again on DAS next time, and we'll see if we can get it to progress even further.
Yep.
We'll check in on him.
Yep. Awesome.
Thank you.
Done. Wow.